How to know if someone is on another call on Instagram. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. And on today's tutorial we will see how we can know if someone is on another call on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open Instagram, go to your direct message. Now you can start a video call or voice call with the person that you want. If they are already on another call, you will see a notifications like user is on another call or the person you're calling is busy, and this message will prevent your call from connecting. So if you have the message in your interface saying that this person is busy, then you can either wait for them to finish or simply leave a message right here. So as Instagram does not have the direct features which will provide the direct visibility whether the person is on a call with specific person, so this is the most common indicators to know if the person is on another call. So if the person is unavailable, it is best to leave them as a message and they will likely get back to you once they are free. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.